Hi everyone, my name is Shamir, but everybody calls me Shy. I have a bachelor's degree in criminal justice from Delaware State University, and also I have a master's degree from Wilmington University. When I first started in the criminal justice system, I wanted to be an FBI agent, and then I wanted to be a probation officer. I end up my very first job within the criminal justice system was like a case manager for drug court. So I worked with TASC, which is the Treatment Access Center. It's a part of Division Substance Use and Mental Health for the state of Delaware. And what I did was monitor individuals who were on probation, who had substance use issues. They would come see us weekly. We would do weekly urine screens, weekly check-ins, and we refer them out to treatment services for therapy or substance use treatment like Connections or something of that nature. And we will follow up with those providers just to make sure that they're getting what they need, whether it be like they're on MAT, or if they need individual or IOP, make sure they're attending appointments. And we would go before a judge on a weekly or monthly basis to provide it was called a status hearing, so the judge can know what's going on with the individual. I'm also a certified alcohol and drug counselor, so I have a lot of experience with doing substance use groups, particularly for individuals who have gotten DUIs. Due to my work experience, I was able to earn my licensure at the master's level, so I'm at LMSW as well. Currently, I am employed with ChristianaCare, but embedded in the Newcastle County Police Department with the Hero Help program. I am the mental health professional, and what we do is we respond to individuals who have had non-fatal overdoses, and we work to get them into treatment, which is 9 times out of 10 a rehab setting. We also work with individuals who have a history of substance use disorder. It doesn't just have to be, we don't just meet them by non-fatal overdoses. We get referrals from other agencies and community for people who are just struggling with substance use issues. And we work together with them and their providers, if they have a provider, to get them into mental health treatment, to get them into rehab, residential, sober living houses, whatever they need. We do our best to get what it is they need. I do think that it is essential to have social workers in the criminal justice system. It's very hard, and most of the people we come across are associated with the criminal justice system. It's very hard, I've learned, for those individuals to navigate, the system. Something as simple to us as getting Medicaid is rather difficult for them, so it helps to have us to assist them with that. It's also difficult for them to access treatment. Accessing treatment can be very frustrating, especially for someone who doesn't know what to do or how to do it. I've also noticed that individuals who are coming out of the prison system, they kind of get out and they're on their own and they have no idea what to do, where to go for resources, who to call, who to ask for help. And so they end up, going right back to what they know, which is using drugs, selling drugs. They don't take care of their mental health, whatever the case may be, and it becomes a cycle. So I think it's essential for us as social workers, to step in and just help them navigate that to improve their overall quality of life. I'm excited about this class. I'm, looking forward to learning some new things. Nice to meet you all, and good luck in the course.